Have you ever imagined yourself finding a square root? Let's see. If you are given a square root of 14, 44, find the square root. How are you going to do this? First step, from your right, separate the numbers into 2 so that we have this number 14 and 44. Second step, ask yourself, what numbers, if squared, gives you 14 or a number close to 14? If we take 3, we have 9. If we take 4, we have 16. Therefore, our next number is going to be 3. So we use 3. And when we take 3, it is 3 times what? 3. The next step, we double this number here. When we double this number, we've got what? 6. Now our next question comes thus. 3 times 3 gives us 9. When I subtract 14 minus 9, I get 5. So I bring down the other number here, which is 4, 4. I bring down these two numbers. Then now the new question will be, what do I add here so that when I have 6 and this number times the same number gives me 544. In other words, 6 something, which is we don't know, times the something, which is the number that we don't know, gives us 544. And what would the answer be? Now that would be very simple. This is what you do. You consider the last number here, 4. How do I consider the number 4? I ask myself, what numbers, when squared, gives me 4? And I have got in my list, I've got 2. 2 times 2, or 2 squared, gives me 4. And the next number here is 8. 8 squared gives me 64. Now let's try 2. When I try 2 here, so that I have 62, remember I have to put the same number here and here. When I use 62 times 2 will never give me 544. Let me try 8. When I try 8, 68 times 8, 68 times 8, this is 64, 6 there, 8 times 6, 48, correct. So 48 plus 6 is 54. Therefore, the perfect number here is 8. Therefore, I use this number here plus 3. I put the number, I bring this number 8, I put it in front of that. So my number is what? 38. Therefore, square root of 1444 is going to be 38. That is very simple. I hope you use that in your mathematical calculations. And the square root of 676 using the prime factorization method. What do? You simply factorize or use the prime factors of this number 676, of which in this case you can say by 2 we have 338, and by 2 we've got 169. And now then we can also factorize this by 3. 3 does not go. 4 cannot divide. 5 is not a divisor. 6 is not a divisor. 7 is neither a divisor. 8 is neither. 9 is neither. 10 no. 11 no. 12 no. 13 yes. 13 times 13 gives us 169. So we put together these factors. So 676 is equal to 2 times 13 times 13. From here we group these factors here. We group them in 2 so that we have this and this. And when we group them, the square root means that we take 1 out of this, so we shall have to remain with 2 here and 13 there. So we say 2 times 13 and our answer is 26. So the square root of 676 is 26. Take that hack in your mathematical calculations. Watch out for the next video.